next song, Oro She Devahawalia, meaning Oro, welcome home, has a long history of cultural importance in the Irish repertoire. The melody likely predates the 16th century, but the lyrics and their meaningfulness have changed over the years and have come to represent solidarity and a unified identity in the midst of oppression. The original lyrics of the song are set in the Jacobite Rising of 1745, a rebellion that aimed to replace the Protestant English monarch of Scotland and Ireland with the Catholic Bonnie Prince Charlie. In this early version, the song's welcome home was intended as a call to Prince Charlie to return to Ireland, where he, with the help of the French and the Spanish, could lead a successful rebellion against long-standing English tyranny. The modern lyrics of the song were written by the poet and activist Patrick Pearse, one of the leaders of the 1916 Easter Rising. Pearse replaced the reference to Bonnie Prince Charlie with that of Grania Wheel, that's Grace O'Malley, an important Irish historical figure and sea captain who represented Irish opposition to the 16th century Tudor campaign that intended to reconquer the island. For Pearse, Grania's personal story was a metaphor for the island of Ireland itself, and her character served as the representation of Irish unity, solidarity, and independence from British colonial rule in the early 20th century. Pearse also shifted the focus of the song's agency, in that Grania Wheel stands against tyranny on her own accord, without the help of the French or the Spanish. Pearse's restructured lyrics were more than the indulgence of an Irish historical figure, but were an appeal for unity of all Irish, particularly the soldiers serving in the British military in World War I, where there were an estimated 200,000 soldiers of Irish descent. Pearse, like many nationalists of his time, found it ironic that so many soldiers fought for the rights of other nations to be free, while they themselves were not free in their own country. Ireland did eventually gain its independence from the United Kingdom, but the transition has been far from perfect. The troubled nature of tensions between the Republic of Ireland and the UK in Northern Ireland are still with us, as is evident in the most recent tragic news of the murder of journalist Lyra McKee, who was shot during a riot in Derry on Holy Thursday, this past Holy Thursday. Echoing the words of Father Martin McGill, who delivered the eulogy at Lyra's funeral just 1 week ago today, we can recognize the struggle of our own time. To the many politicians present in this cathedral here today, Martin said, let me say again those words of one of Lyra's friends. The younger generation need jobs. They need a better health service and education. They need a life and not a gun put in their hands. As politicians, you will be familiar with the first report of the Independent Reporting Commission published last October, which examined in-depth paramilitary-style attacks and found a clear correlation between these attacks and areas of social deprivation. Lyra's friend is right in pointing out that our young people need jobs and education and training to get those jobs. All of our young people need a life that gives them an aspiration for the future. So as we sing this song, in the Sean-nós style, we do not do so just to remember history, but in the spirit of unity and in nonviolent solidarity, in standing against oppression and intolerance, and in the hope of welcoming future generations to live a full life in a better home than the one that came before. You can find the lyrics to this chorus in your program, so please feel free to join in. Oro She Devahawalia.